You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names too many people mispronounce. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. So in English it's usually pronounced as Lambert or Lambert. Now it's a name of French origin, and in French it's said as Lambert, Lambert, so with a silent T. So if you're referring to really a French person, you might want to say it as Lambert or Lambert, more Lambert rather than Lambert. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.